My blueberry has gone the way of the dodo, trendsetters, and I'm about to tell you why. So this, trendsetters, right here is where my blueberry was. And I was going to make a video to tell you how about a month ago I did a pH test here and I found out that my pH was still up at 6.5, which is okay, which is good for growing vegetables normally, but it's still too high for blueberries, which blueberries like at around 5, 4.5, 5 to 5.5, somewhere around there, quite acid. So 2 weeks ago, I was also going to tell you that I treated all around here with the liquid sulfur to try and lower the pH again to get my blueberry to look amazing. And today I was going to make a video showing you how I fertilized my blueberry with a product called ℏ𝕃, which is a pelletized chicken manure product made for acid-loving plants like blueberries, azaleas, camellias, on and on it goes. But some Bigfoot, aka me, decided I needed to clean this little area up because it was a bit weedy and everything, and I didn't want to show you the ugly part of the garden. But in the process, I stood on the bloody thing and broke it right off at ground level. There's nothing, there's not like I couldn't even snap a little bit of twig off. The whole thing's gone. But two good things to come out of this, in a way. One is I now know a whole lot more about growing blueberries than I did 2 years ago. And I've also got, or acquired through various means, another blueberry at my work. And I'm going to propagate from it around the end of spring, early summer, and hopefully I'll show you that process and hopefully I'm successful and I'll have a whole lot more blueberries. There's a bit of grass here, we'll go, and I should get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 blueberries in here. So I'll take quite a few cuttings, and I'll start in the next couple of months working this soil, lowering the pH. Hopefully it doesn't affect too many other things. I've got a few roses up there, but I don't think they mind. So, sadly, R.I.P for my blueberry, but there's more to come. That's it. No more blueberry. I'm heartbroken, devastated. So I just quickly did another pH test out of curiosity to see what effect the last treatment of sulfate has had on the soil. And I reckon I've come from 6.5 down to 6, but only just. So to get to 5.5 or 5, I would still need 2 or 3 treatments of sulfur to get this soil down to a good enough pH for blueberries. So it's going to take a bit of work to get this to the right, or to a good soil acidity for growing blueberries. But all good things come to an end, so they say. Anyway, cheers, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.